morning from Kidz Island. Yeah, it seems a really strange place to be, especially as I don't have the kids with me. However, this is a new kind of fair that's opened on the end of South Parade Pier in Southsea. Lovely little caterpillar. You know how we love a good caterpillar, and it's something we're going to try and get on. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we're going to get on it. Now, they did announce early July. For those who don't know, South Parade Pier is at the other end of Clarence Pier. So we'll walk around the corner in a minute, we'll show you Clarence Pier. It's obviously added some new rides for 2019. And this pier was kind of derelict from 2010, 2014 before undergoing a complete refurb and opening in April 2017. And then they then kind of announced plans just sort of the end of last month that they were going to have a fair on here, and it was going to be Kidz Island, and it was going to be from what looks like a permanent fixture. It's not kind of a one-off thing. This looks like it's here to stay. I wouldn't say they've utilised the space particularly well with the benches and things here, but they have managed to fit quite a few juvenile rides, a really nice looking dodgems, Jennings dodgems as well, really beautiful looking dodgems, and of course this crazy caterpillar here, which is actually quite interesting. They've just kind of got it and opened it. It's been funded by Richard Cadnell, Cabwell, the guy that kind of runs the Sooty and Sweep show, which again I find very, very strange, bearing in mind that they're based down at Breen Leisure. But, you know, he's funding it, and he'll also be here on August 17th. But here's the crazy caterpillar. So that's a crazy caterpillar, and yes, it's going to be a very, very short vlog, and it probably won't be that exciting. I do apologise if you're looking for fast thrill rides, you're not going to get those on here, but this is a brand new park, essentially a brand new park. I'm going to go on the crazy caterpillar, I want to get on the dodgem, so we'll take you around, we'll give you a quick look round, and yeah, going to get you on some rides. Crazy caterpillar.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Step it up. Don't be scared. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Step it up. Don't be scared.
Beautiful dodgems. Not the quickest, they remind me a bit of Chesington to be honest, but quite a pleasant experience. As you can see, quite a few juvenile rides here. We have the Helter Skelter, so £7.50 per person, ride tokens are £1 each. All the attractions are £2, the dodgems as well is £2 per person, not £2 per car, so just bear that one in mind if you're looking at things. As we said, the kind of the suitor here, Richard Cadell and Sooty will be here on the 17th of August. Kidz Island on the end here, which I said I find very strange because he is predominantly down in Breen where Sooty is filmed. But yeah, Kidz Island, obviously it's not for everyone, I get that, but we've come and got the coaster cred, and getting the coaster cred was you know, important, especially as it's on our doorstep. We live in Portsmouth where we are now, so it's literally on our doorstep, and it's great to have it. Great to have a bit of competition down for Clarence as well, because arguably a bit cheaper, but the rides aren't as good. Don't worry, Jordan, the rides aren't as good. We'll still be heading back down to Clarence again this year to keep an eye on Tidal Wave and indeed the improved Twister. Looking fantastic down there, but it's great to have this pier kind of buzzing as well. But from Kidz Island, South Parade Pier, we'll see you next time.